Let's talk about Jake from Texas. He went from a part-time grocery job to making 5 grand a month online.
So Jake's working this grocery gig in Texas, just barely making enough to cover rent.
And this one thought kept nagging him. There's got to be a better way online. That's where it all started.
But when he told his friends his big idea, yeah, they were pretty skeptical, to say the least. They hit him with all the usual doubts, that it's for tech people or you need cash.
He almost believed them.
But then, one night, he's just scrolling on YouTube, and this one video completely changes his perspective. And the title, it felt like it was made just for him. It was exactly what he needed to see. And that's when it clicked. He thought, if they can do it, why not me? No more overthinking, just start.
Okay, so here's the game plan he came up with. A really simple, 4-step approach to get going.
He saw how huge short-form video was getting, so he picked one skill, video editing, for those platforms.
And get this, he didn't buy any courses. He learned everything he needed from free YouTube tutorials. That's it.
Now he tried the usual spots like Fiverr, but got nothing. So he had to switch up his strategy. He hopped into some Facebook groups and just offered to edit for free. And guess what? It actually worked.
The creator was so impressed, he sent Jake $25, his very first online paycheck.
And that $25, it wasn't about the money. It was proof that this whole thing was actually possible. That first $25 basically opened the floodgates. From there, things really started to take off.
So how did he do it? He got faster, studied what went viral, and started charging more. Simple as that. And here's what he realized. It wasn't about luck. It was just about taking that first step while others waited.
So the moral of the story is pretty clear. Pick one skill, stick with it, and you can build something real. It really makes you think, right? If you were starting today, what one skill would you choose to learn?